Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Let me discuss about the leveraging data deduplication to improve the performance of primary storage systems in the cloud. With the explosive growth in data volume, the input-output bottleneck has become increasingly daunting challenge for big data analytics in cloud. Recent studies have shown that moderate to high data redundancy clearly exists in primary storage systems in the cloud. Our experimental studies reveal that the redundancy exhibits a much higher level of intensity on input-output path than that on disk due to relatively high temporal access locality associated with small input-output requests to redundant data. Moreover, the directly applying data deduplication to primary storage system in the cloud will likely cause space contention in memory and data fragmentation on disk. Data deduplication has been demonstrated to be effective technique in cloud backup and achieving application to reduce the backup window and improve the storage space efficiency and network bandwidth utilization. Recent studies reveal that moderate to high data redundancy clearly exists in virtual machine. The high performance computing. The storage systems. The existing data deduplication scheme for primary storage such as iDedu and offline dedu are capacity oriented in that they focus storage capacity savings and only select the large requests to deduplicate and bypass all the small requests. The rationale is that the small input-output requests only account for tiny fraction of storage capacity requirements, making deduplication of them unprofitable and potentially counterproductive considering the substantial deduplication overhead involved. However, previous workload studies have revealed that small files dominating primary storage systems are at root of system performance bottleneck. Furthermore, due to the buffer effect and primary storage workload exhibit an obvious input-output business from a performance perspective, the existing data deduplication scheme failed to consider the workload characteristics in primary storage systems, missing the opportunity to address one of the most important issues in primary storage, that of performance. Let us see the flow of our process. First of all, user authenticated into the cloud and then he select the file and generate the hash key of file. After that, he encrypt the data block and encrypt the hash key, and then he try to upload the file into the cloud service provider. The cloud service provider check the file whether it is present in cloud or not. It is already present in cloud. The file upload request is cancelled. Otherwise, the block level duplication is performed. In block level duplication, the file is divided into different blocks. Then each block is checked whether it is already present in cloud or not. If already present in cloud, the block level duplication process is stopped. Otherwise, the cloud is accept the file request and store the file into specific location. And then user, if want to download any of the file from cloud service provider, he make request to cloud service provider. The cloud service provider validate the user whether it is registered user or not, and then he validate this user is content owner or file content owner or user. If he is not content owner, he getting the secret key of content owner and give the key to user for decrypt the data block. Let us see the demo of process leveraging data deduplication to improve the performance of primary storage systems in cloud. First of all, user must be authenticated into the cloud service provider. Authenticated and click the upload. User must be select the name of the file to upload the cloud service provider. The hash key is generated and send the request to cloud service provider. The cloud service provider receive the request, no duplication occur, and send acknowledgement to data owner. No duplication occurred. And then we have segment the input files into different blocks and select the hash key, and again send request to cloud service provider for block level duplicate check. No duplication occurred, and then send acknowledgement to content folder. No duplication occurred, and then we select generate the hash key and a tag for the input file, and then encrypt the hash key for security and encrypt the data block. This is the encrypted data block, and then upload the file content into the cloud service provider. And user send the uploaded content into the cloud service provider, and the cloud service provider receive the uploaded content. The uploading process is successfully done. In downloading process, user must be authenticated into the cloud. Click the download and click the list of uploaded files and select the name of the file and send request to cloud service provider for requesting the file. The cloud service provider receive the request from user. They validate the user and send response to user. And user getting the secret key from cloud service provider, and then download the file, the document.txt, that this is the encrypted file, and getting the encrypted key and decrypt the hash key, and finally decrypt the file. Thank you.